Most major plumbing emergencies are avoidable with a proactive approach to maintenance. By understanding how your system works and implementing a few simple habits, you can extend the lifespan of your pipes and appliances while avoiding the stress and cost of sudden repairs. The kitchen drain is often the first place problems begin. To prevent massive clogs, never pour fats, oils, or grease down the sink. Even when liquid and hot, these substances quickly cool and solidify inside your pipes, creating a thick sludge that traps other food particles and eventually stops all water flow. High water pressure is a silent killer for residential plumbing. While it provides a great shower experience, pressure consistently above 80 pounds per square inch puts immense strain on your pipe joints, seals, and appliances. Installing and monitoring a pressure-reducing valve ensures your system stays within a safe, sustainable range. In the bathroom, hair and soap scum are the primary causes of slow drains. Using simple mesh strainers or drain screens in your tubs and showers can catch these materials before they enter the plumbing. Regularly cleaning these screens is one of the easiest ways to prevent deep clogs in your branch lines. Toilets should only be used for human waste and standard toilet paper. Even products labeled as flushable wipes do not break down like traditional paper. They often snag on pipe imperfections and create stubborn blockages that require professional equipment to clear. Annual maintenance of your water heater is essential for efficiency. Over time, mineral sediment settles at the bottom of the tank, which can cause corrosion and overheating. Flushing the tank once a year removes this debris, ensuring the unit runs quietly and lasts for its full expected lifespan. Regularly exercising your shutoff valves can prevent them from seizing. Every few months, turn the valves under your sinks and behind your toilets off and back on. This simple action ensures that in the event of a real emergency, you will actually be able to stop the water flow. Don't ignore the signs of a hidden leak. Monitoring your monthly water bill for unexplained increases is an excellent way to catch silent leaks, such as a running toilet or a pinhole leak behind a wall, before they cause structural damage or mold growth. Seasonal changes require specific attention. Before the temperature drops, ensure your outdoor hoses are disconnected and any exposed pipes in unheated areas like crawl spaces or garages are properly insulated to prevent freezing and bursting during a cold snap. Small drips should be addressed immediately. A faucet that drips or a toilet that ghost flushes might seem minor, but these small leaks waste thousands of gallons of water annually and often indicate that a seal or valve is nearing total failure. Keeping your plumbing system in top shape doesn't have to be a challenge. Black Mountain Plumbing offers comprehensive maintenance inspections and expert repair services to help you stay ahead of potential issues. Trust our team to protect your San Diego home with reliable, professional care. Contact us today to schedule your system checkup.